We're really operations people. We understand the IT side of the business. We know what the developers need, but we're not in there doing development for them. We can help provide them tools. We can give them a tool chain that will let them, assemble the pieces that they need. And then from the operations standpoint, we know what needs to happen to get a product delivered into a space. When we start to introduce a new set of systems to an environment or change an existing set of systems, the first thing we have to do is define a set of requirements. What's the first thing we can do safely without impacting our current process? How do we bring people on board to that? We make transitions to the next stop a little bit at a time. The first requirement is we can't stop what we're doing for business. There are all kinds of systems that clients have. Everybody sort of starts by growing their own. And inevitably what we have to do is learn what they have, help them set a target, and then move to what the new thing is. We will try and introduce best of breed products when we think that they will fit into an environment and a customer is comfortable with that. Typically there's a very legacy process that's in place, and we want to help a company grow to where things are automated in a way that lets them change their mind about things very quickly, get something new deployed, bring it up. If it didn't work, let's roll back. We don't want to have a human that has to intervene in a process unless it's really necessary. There are checkpoints where we have humans that make decisions, but once they make that decision, things happen by themselves. If we can keep employees doing high value work and let the systems take care of toil, that's a big win. It makes the employees happier. I think it increases their likelihood of staying in the job. And it means that you're taking a costly resource, a person, and letting them do things that create more value for the company. And we're helping a lot of different kinds of clients. Lately, biotechnology has been very hot. We have a long history of working with companies that do EDA, electronic design automation. We work with big web publishing houses that have a number of different properties that people might find familiar. We've got some things in the financial district. Some of it is banks, credit unions, financial technologies. We want to know the client. We want to talk to the client, understand what their needs are, and we want them to feel like they can trust us to make good decisions with them.